Hello, today we're looking at cutting out these pieces for our Tangram puzzle. Previously we marked the waste, which is the material we're going to remove, and we marked out where we're going to cut. These pieces will become the two sides of our Tangram tray here and here. This one I've already cut out. This one I'm going to cut out. So I've got a bench hook which I'm putting into the vise and doing up. I've got a tenon saw here, and I'm going to hold the piece of wood. I'm going to line up here, and I'm going to just, with my thumb, start cutting, and I'm making a cut just on the waist side, so cutting into the waist part there. I don't know if you can see that, but the cut is going in. You can see here I'm using the whole length of the saw, and I've made a cut down there to that line there. I'm then going to turn the piece of wood round, and just starting off you can draw back, then using the whole length of the saw, and you can see there where I've made the cut down to the line. I'm then taking the bench hook out of the vise, and you can see that I've marked my line here, and I've marked my waist on the end also. So I'm putting the wood in the vise I'm keeping the cut clear so I don't accidentally cut onto the bench. And then again I've started to cut. I'm standing in line here, so I'm standing behind the saw so that I don't accidentally cut at an angle, and you can see there I've now made my cut down, so I've cut down and I've cut down that way into there. So I'm putting this here, and again cutting on the waist side of the line using the whole length of the saw. I'm not leaning on the saw, I'm just moving the saw backwards and forwards, and that piece has come out. The last stage now, I'm just going to take a piece of abrasive paper here, and we can see that I've cut those pieces out. It probably, move that over there, if you can see that, that's cut out. So I've cut out, but I've cut just inside the line. You can see there. So I've aimed to cut just inside the line. And what I'm going to do is take one of these pieces, take this piece of abrasive paper, and so if you look there, and I'm just and there is, I've finished that up. I could probably just finish that up. You can see on this one that I did earlier, I've sanded that down to the line, and I've made it as accurate as possible. And there's our completed two pieces for the sides of the tray of our Tangram puzzle. Thank you for watching.